Want your apparel logos to stand out with more texture and 3D effect? Let's explore the new solution, UV flatbed printing combined with heat transfer. First, UV flatbed printing delivers high-precision, vibrant, and dimensional logos on flexible TPU. Next, the cutting machine trims each TPU patch with precision, smooth edges, no burrs, perfectly shaped. With heat transfer, the TPU logo bonds seamlessly to fabric, wash-resistant, durable, yet flexible and resilient. Compared to flat DTF prints, UV 3D logos stand out with superior look and feel, showcasing premium quality. UV flatbed printing plus heat transfer takes your apparel customization to the next level, making your brand more valuable.